uyabona lonto nabanye bagcokile labagcoke ezombutho yabo kodwa namhlanje sizoxoxa ngendaba zabantwana bethu so ndifuna ningathi xa niveza ngaphandle nithi ingathi kuyakhankaswa la sadibana sonke I think it was January ayiqali namhlanje lento sidibene January sathi before kuyokhankaswa le sifuna udila ngale issue yama gangsters abantwana bethu so ndithi mandiyicacise noba sikhuluma elsewhere noba silapha yana on Sunday sizoya lapha yana united as a community leyo ndicinga uba ndicacise kahle
iyazwakala kwamina nje ngime la yenkokheli angimanga as MK ngima as umzali and then ngima as ngimela iorganization ama traditional healers uma ngithi asisadili nabantu sidila ngemimoya I'm a traditional healer myself for the past 19 years.
Thank you.
And le mimoya seyilanda nabantwana bethu ekolweni sebavukelwa umoya nje yonke into nje sokuyisa ngoma ye umuntu sekanedlozi ye umuntu sekayathwasa kubhizi it's a problem. It's a problem. You know why is it a problem, Bazali? I thought we will escalate this conversation on Saturday and even on radio. However, sinezinto ezibizwa amasiko esesingasazilandeli. Umntwana ushonela phakathi esikolweni awusamlandi shilo le moya lapha yana le moya ubhlungu sakhala namhlanje because it went ngesikhathi esirong ayikho into ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyenzile intando yakhe. He's not a cruel God regardless what he is. Siyamthandaza nathi ngumama omanyano wesele at the end of the day. I'm a rainbow nation. La moya uthi ngiyakhona ngiyangena because at the end of the day I'm a strong believer ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyomthola phansi kombhedo uyomthola phezulu kombhedo uyomthola everywhere. I can go now to another country, I'll find this God. Angakashintshi. Hence I'm saying ukulabelana kwethu ukujajana kwethu sesiphethwe yile nto bayibiza abantu bazothini syndrome. You know you have a problem. You know kunomakhulu ekhaya onenkinga ufuna kanje. Ugcina ehlakaza nje endlini iziyo spread esikolweni. It's because wena usaba abantu bazothini syndrome. Usaba ukuthi abantu bazothi hawu mama womanyano uyazenza nalezi zinto. Listen, makufane ngikhiphe igear red and white ngiyayibeka kamnandi kanjani ngoba kakabi isikhathi sayo. Semezini masezingiphethe into zami ngisesontweni bayazi nalabo abanye bogogo ukuthi simkhama kanjani lo gogo lo because unomoya isimo lesesinaso. So ngiyacela futhi let us work together. The reason he was explaining is because siyama political leaders we have decided to work together. You know why? Because abantwana bethu la. Ngiyabonga.
Pressure starts manje becoming an issue food. You know, we had an issue again here because I also engaged who Save the Boy Child. We once had a workshop. Labafana laba told us ukuthi they compete ngokupregnantisa amantombazana. Ukuthi long zomshaya ngimpregnantisa. That on its own tells you that there is lack of understanding in ngezinto abazenzayo. How do you compete in a life-threatening situation efana nale? Because it tells you that we've got a serious problem within our society. So it's a community, it's a system, it's a way of living. Siphila kanjani? What is it that we want to see happening within our community? Because our street committees, we need to revive such things so that each and every street understand what is happening with the strategies. If we need to identify those kids and deal with those kids. We would organize ourselves. If unfortunately some of the houses busy. So today it's not allowed to say abortion. So I thought I should raise this thing because it is really a challenge.
Ngiyabingelela nonke bazali sanibonani angimkhathanga ubhuti lana uzobuya futhi ku platform aqedelele into siyaphuthuma sisaya eJozi FM. We are having an interview at the Jozi FM pertaining yona le problem lesinayo. On the 23rd on Saturday sine prayer light service where we will be gathered at TJ for the respect of the lives lost zabantwana asebabe under ama drivers ababulala abantwana ngeimoto zabo zine overload abantwana babe under the violence yokusukumezwa abantwana nje who have passed because of this silence. We are having a prayer day from 8 till 5 at TJ. Sizocela this support that you have shown. Nibonakale nifika. This is not a Pimville Klipspruit situation. It's a viral pandemic in the country at large because it's in a state so into my so it is spread to other provinces. So Tina, if Yempela see that powerful, I think it's spread in community esebenzisanayo ebambene umntana mina nje today I discovered the worst ngowami umntwana ngilibele ngimela ngoba phambi kwamehlo umntana muhle wenza right yonke into so umntana umfundisi kaMampela mari makaphuma we gangster because they need to prove themselves beyond reasonable doubt. Another challenge we are finding is that the kids are over the age year class. And that alone is a problem, parents. You can imagine usebenza emsebenzini for 35 years and then uzovulwa yimi putununu nje lincane. Wona wantella you understand ukuthi leyo feeling njani? Umntanami una 19 uku grade 11 uhleli nabantwana abana 16 15. It's a problem. So he is challenged. So we need to stand together and challenge the government and ask the government ukuthi yini singayenza ezoba suitable for these kids so that they don't feel undermined, they don't feel overwhelmed. They become kids in their own age group with the age yabo. We used to have inspectors, we used to have people who cared for our homes, who could come in and now and then, but we are on our own. So we are the government. Yeah. So understand, we are the government. We need to work with each other.
Actually, this thing has just unleashed every corner of the leadership. Thank you.
Amandla! Amandla! Long live the spirit of no surrender, long live! Phansi ngegangsterism phansi! Phansi ngamapantsula phansi! Phansi ngamavaradosi phansi! Mayibuye South Africa yakudala mayibuye! Thank you very much, Sparks, and I'd like to thank Nonke community for coming out in numbers. Igama lami nguThabo Ngayo. I'm the president of Abahambe National Civic Movement. What that I've heard here, even before I come, I know what is the topic and the subject. We personally received a call from the district regarding the issue lana e Tabajabula, where there's a crisis where kids are terrorized, kids are attacked by so-called people ngamagama bazibiza ngamagama mani. And so now this matter is escalating throughout Soweto. Tina Diepkloof CSI stop lento, and we fought up until to the latest. All the schools of Diepkloof have restored order. I'm telling you today, Mesbamba Banya Tuba se police station. We united all our kids, they must stand together now against these hooligans. And guess what? Those kids, they were coming from Orlando to terrorize Abantwana Betu Eskolwe. And it's something that we cannot tolerate it. We grew up under the gangsterism, but Linyazi very well. We used to have Ama Japan, we used to have Ama Kabasa, we used to have Ama Vabasa. You can call them with names. We know the brutality when there's a gangster brewing. It's a very dangerous situation where we are facing today. And then abantu aba exercise leon to abantwana bethu. Tina as parents, what are we doing? Whenever sibona abantwana bethu basifaka kuyo lenyifonyofo. So now it's about the time as community we need to come together and stand together and unite against this thing. Because lento le izofika ekutheni abantwana besikolo bazibambela yona ngezandla sokusha abantu. And there's the experience that esingafuna ukuyibona because sisi experience ile siyibonile. And we are saying to even those friends or anyone ola obaziyo abatshela ukuthi their time is over now. The matter is no longer the matter of the school kids, is no longer the matter of the teachers, SGB and the Department of Education. They're now fighting us as community. We cannot allow abantu abazo disrupt the education system. We cannot allow anarchy to exist in our school. Those schools are meant for academics, they are not meant for criminals. So those young men, we must tell them a lesson. If ever bangazi umlando wala in South Africa, they must go and read the books. Bazi ukuthi le ikolo lezi zine history yazo on its own. Those colonies, they've produced leaders, they've produced activists, they've produced people who protected this country, who protected to fight, ensure we achieve a true freedom. So we cannot allow those kids but disrupted the freedom and the liberation necessary, though that freedom is still not in our hands. We cannot at the moment, we're fighting about book figure, now we need to focus on our own kids, where we are trying to build this economy for them, but now they're fighting amongst each other. And also as parents, we need to be careful not how do we spend our money kubantwana bethu. Because enteba sibaluisayo kakhulu ile igcoke nibathengela zona, ile amadikisi enibathola zona. So we need to start at home to discipline those kids in terms of dress code. We make sure that abantwana bethu mabaya esikolweni they dress according to Elena. Bangagcoki ngathi base whatever they call it, I'm a bash or in. So today, Mrs. Musi High, for the second day, Mr. Address I assembly. There's this one boy who think that is smarter than everybody. I don't want to mention his name, but namhlanje after everything, ungenile wa trespasser isikolo. After when we left, the case will be open against that boy. That boy must rot in jail because he's not willing to change. And the anarchy esikolweni. So now, the system that we applied, Tina, we used to guard our schools. So we're gonna need each other in this system. We need to guard our schools every time abaphuma labantwana simile ekolweni as a community. Labafana mele babone ukuthi now we be coming together to fight against this thing. Because lento le emotional future abantwana bethu. And abantwana bethu they're learning wrong things from kulabafana baya adapt. And then they don't know they are innocent child. If you ask them, good, why are you doing this? They cannot give you a reason to take ifonyo munyu. So, without wasting time, because there's an interview here, all I'm asking from Guinea, let's work together, and we are appealing to the law enforcement as well to partner with the communities and other stakeholders so that we can stop this gangsterism. Because terrorism is a danger to our society, is a danger to our freedom, is a danger to our liberation. We cannot leave Nabantu abasibiza ngamagama. Those people, they belong to jail or they belong to grave. Because some other people are so lenient like the way we are approaching it. Dangerous. So we are asking to all parents, they are involved in these particular activities. Because we as communities, we are tired. Abantwana bethu abalapha ezikolweni akekho umuntu ozoba protector except for us. Now abantwana bethu mele basaba kuye ezikolweni ngoba basaba usibanibani. Abantwana bethu they cannot receive education freely ngepeace because basaba usibanibani. So we need to stand guard, come together, and let's make sure siyayiqeda le gangsterism nale bullying egcwele esikolweni. Amanda. Thank you very much.
No, nami as umuntu ohlala la ePimville. Ngithi sifanele nathi we must love ourselves. And in loving ourselves, we must love our children. And singahlulu abazali bethu nabo gogo bethu, they were more united than us. But thina omunye nomunye mind your own business. That's why abantwana basihlula ngoba awukwazi ukutela uncedo next door. So without going long, masingaba khona kulo meeting wa Saturday. Sizobonisana sinenhlanhla ngoba namaphoyisa wethu they are on the side of the parents. But we must make sure ukuthi nezinto ezimbi ezithengiswa kuma-spaza shops, we must have an interest as abazali. When a spaza shop uthengisani? Why when mfanam uya espaza shop njalo? If sibabazali abathi hawu mutima utlabona ngeke kube nento ezosilungela. So with those words, nami bengithi ngigcwalise ukucela ukuthi masihlanganeni Saturday where there are more brains. We shall not be conquered. We shall conquer. Nangu mama asicelele.
No, greetings to the viewers, greetings to abahlali basePhilville, Soweto, the entire South Africa. Namhlanje ngisihlangene singabahlali basePhilville. The purpose of the namhlanje was to talk about the gangsterism and the bullying that is existing in our schools. So that gangsterism and bullying, we have notified ukuthi kunabafana abazibiza ngamagama amapantsula, varados and all that. What disrupt our education system yethu, what disrupt nabantwana when if they have to focus on education now. Therefore it resulted ukuthi some of the kids bathathelwa izinto ezikolweni and abanye bayalinyazwa and nabutishara they under threat, abu principal SGPs. So namhlanje we were discussing in plenary as to how can we stop this and asking all the stakeholders, also the law enforcement and everybody who is willing to partner with the community to come and assist so that sizoceda lokugibeng okugcwele ezikolweni.
In terms of intervention, how far is the law? Are they assisting? Are they, the Department of Education, is it assisting?
First, the Department of Education, of course, is involved because I was once approached by the district education asking me to come and intervene, which I've made a presentation with them to assist in the issues of the school. I can affirm to say, yes, they are assisting when it comes to such issues. And comes to Mteto is one of the engagement that we need to align with them at the moment, even though we haven't get that assistance too much, but we are in the engagement now so that they can be part of assisting us.
Okay, and then my parents, are they showing interest also of assisting in this matter?
In terms of the parents, there's a lack of participation and lack of involvement with my parents. But we are persuading them to always attend my parents' meeting and also to be part of this because laba bantwana bamoshayo abantwana babo. As the president of Abahambe National Civic Movement, it's a civic movement that is comprised of members coming from different political affiliates. It deals with all social issues that affect our communities. One of our biggest mandates is illegal activities such as illegal immigrants who are in our country, who are here undocumented, staying in our country and messing with our country. As Abahambe, we are saying those who are illegal in our country, they must leave our country, and those who claim to be legally, we demand an audit as to how did they obtain a legality to be in our country.
We are very grateful ukuthi bazali siphumile in our numbers. Igama lami nguManku. I'm the chairperson here SGPA eMusi High. So let us close our meeting. Sihlanganeni futhi on Saturday lapha siyokhuleka khona. Ngicela ukuthi umzali oyi1 asikhulekele sikhulekele nalabantwana bethu and then sikwazi ukudisperse. Siyabonga. Umzali le.